I am Sham, and I'm back with a continuation of my story here in Las Vegas, roaming the streets. So I got here January 10th, just a brief overview. All my shit was stolen, then I lost my wallet. So here in Vegas, they have a thing called Corridor of Hope. It's a centralized homeless services place. The main place is called the Courtyard, and it's an all-in-one place. The cool thing is they have case managers there, so you can get EBT, Medicaid, um, storage, mail services, laundry, showers, and it's a place to sleep as well. I don't recommend that. So now, I got all my services there and I dipped out doing my own thing. As you guys know, I do check mail there once a week. Next door is called the Care Complex. You can get documents like Social Security, birth certificate, and then a voucher to get an ID card or driver's license, which thankfully I got. So I was able to rebuild back, um, thankfully. And I like it's just a wild place. Like you don't want to hang out there. So, anyways, the following clips is going to be of the courtyard of the shelter, and just kind of give you guys an inside view. Enjoy. This is the Corridor of Hope, the homeless services area in Las Vegas. Seriously, looks like a Mad Max movie. Completely insane. Line at the Salvation Army to get some food. They serve lunch every day from 1:30 to 2:30. This is just first time here, doing my thing. Again, just using this to rebuild.